The pre-order for the Honor 20 Pro has opened. The smartphone can be ordered for $560. On the internet, a pre-order has been opened for the Honor 20 Pro smartphone. This is the flagship model of the Chinese manufacturer. The device can be ordered in black or blue. The gadget received a 6.26-inch display with a resolution of 1080 by 2340 pixels, equipped with a modern 8-core processor Huawei Kirin 980, 8GB of RAM and a 4000 mAh battery. Store photos and videos taken with the help of 5 advanced cameras. It is proposed on the drives of 256GB. The main camera module consists of 4 lenses. The main sensor from Sony has a resolution of 48 MP. This is the flagship IMX586 with a quad-Bayer color filter and support for optical stabilization. In addition, there is a 16 MP wide-angle lens above, an angle of 120 degrees, a telephoto lens of 8 MP below, designed for shooting with a zoom, and a small sensor for 2 MP macro photography at the side. Finally, the front camera is just for selfie lovers, as much as 32 MP. Honor 20 Pro is also suitable for modern games. At high loads, the GPU Turbo 3.0 system is enabled, which accelerates the processor. There is support for fast charging technology. The smartphone is equipped with a fingerprint sensor and an NFC module. The Android 9.1 OS with the Magic UI 2.1 proprietary shell is installed on this model.